Welcome by Elektor.labs. Today I will talk to you about our new wall-mounted tactile switch. The wall-mounted tactile switch is a 220 volt switch or 115 volt switch that you can mount in a flush-mounted junction box. When you touch it here or there, it's a two-channel switch, you can switch on or off a light. The special thing about this switch is that you can program the switch. It's either a switch or a push button. The electronics of the switch are on the bottom PCB. This is the capacitive handling circuit, which you can see in this part of the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram you can see there are some jumpers. These are solder jumpers which are on the PCB, and you use those to configure the switch between a switch or a push button. This switch has an interesting way of functioning, because to avoid consuming a lot of current, it makes use of bistable relays, these orange blocks here. These are the power connectors and the fuse, of course. The electronics, the power electronics are on the other side. In this circuit we have here a MOSFET driver that, instead of driving a MOSFET, it drives a capacitor and a bistable relay that are a sort of MOSFET. So now let's see how these three PCBs work together. So here is the tactile switch in operation, and we have configured our switch in such a way that the right part is a switch and the left part is a push button. So when I press the right part, the yellow lamp will come on and it will stay on. I have to tap it again to switch it off. When I tap the left part, the red light comes on and I have to keep touching it to make it stay on. As soon as I release the sensor, the red light will go off. The two channels can also work simultaneously, as we will show now. If you switch on, for instance, the yellow light, you can use the left side to switch on the red light without changing the status of the yellow light, and vice versa. So if you would like to know all the details about it, then you can read our article that we wrote about it. As I said, you can mount it in a junction box, like we did here for the photograph. The article shows all the details, first of all, about the schematic. It also explains how to configure it without using a microcontroller, without software, without a listing, how to put it in a junction box, how to build up the PCBs, and some more details about building it into a junction box. Okay, thank you for watching and have fun using this project in your home.